Well, yeah.
Either way, that's cool. That's exciting.
Oh, yeah. Never mind Stellantis and Ram. What if you're GM? Well, GM, they showed off the Hummer EV. They showed off the truck, the
Silverado.
the Silverado EV. And then they're like, well, we got to bring the Corvette up too. And Corvette is a huge opportunity. You know why? There's not a lot of two-door sports car electric vehicles out there right now. The
Right.
Roadsters take 1 billion years.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's going to be Roadster performance, but a lot
No, but it's an option now.
if Corvette beats them to the punch, you got a two-door,
Right.
flashy looking,
Mm-hmm.
take the top off. Will knows about taking the top off.
Right.
Mm.
And it will probably be really fast.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You got
So-
lighter weight. You got all types of handling. Now, they said that initially it's not going to be a full electric.
Oh, like a hybrid?
They can be faster with a sort of electric, enhancing performance, possibly range.
Okay.
An electrified Corvette will be available as early as next year and a fully electric version to follow. So electrified version.
Interesting.
Could be performance-based. Could maybe you can drive at a certain range on electric that's short and
Right.
gas engine kicks in, or it just helps you off the line, torque and whatnot.
Right, just right off the bat.
music might be a problem. Okay, cool. But look at this, Mo. Look at this. I mean, with the snow and whatnot. I mean,
Oh, wow.
Mo,
That's cool.
tell us something.
Look at this top-down shot.
Tell us something, Mo.
That looks really cool. And the car just sliding with the snow following. That's really cool.
Look at the way it came into the initial spot.
Then the icicles that are hanging underneath it.
That's right.
That's very cool. What do you think about this skin, though?
Well, it's a camo because they don't want to show it off, right?
Oh, I see. This
It's
is probably
to-
like a public area where people can take pictures.
Yeah, it's a camo, so
Oh, I see.
they're not going to go with that option.
Well, look at that. Corvette stepping into the game.
Yeah, someone says, why does it have a crushed up Oreo paint job?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what Mo was saying. No, it's a type of camo so you can't see all the lines, so it's not completely spoiled. You can see it's the way it's taped on there. It's actually on there in layers to actually
Oh, to even make it
obscure the
harder.
lines, of the vehicle. They pick patterns
Wow, interesting.
that just make it look like a blob.
the things they have to worry about.
This to me is like a social media type of audible type of like we should put something out right now. Right? Because it's not often that most of the time you see spy shots on a vehicle that's all taped up like that. It's somebody sharing a photo of it, not the company themselves.
Right.
Yeah, shooting a commercial.
They almost never show that off. So this to me is like we're not completely ready, but like let's let the world know that
Something's
We're
going
working
on.
on it.
EV Town is here. We are working out of EV Town. Everybody's in. Everybody's in. Now, I think the short-term one is interesting to me. This kind of midway partial EV.
Yeah. Do you think it's just because they want to, like you were saying
Speed.
earlier, they want to just beat Elon to the market?
Speed, yeah, definitely speed. But even still, next year, the fully electric version, ooh, that's a move. What can I get right now? What can I get right now that's a two-door sports car that's fully electric?
Maybe that Lucid one?
No, that's a four-door. It's a sedan.
yeah.
Roadster?
But
Like
you
you're talking
can't-
about
First version?
Old, yeah, no one's picking that up. I don't know what it is. Maybe there's like some exotic. Oh, there is. It's the Rimac.
Rimac.
Yeah, okay, but that's $1 million, isn't it?
That's like, it's over $1 million for sure.
Yeah. So what are we doing? That's a lot different. Oh, is anyone going to mention any here? No. See, that's the thing. I don't think anyone's. I don't think they exist right now outside of very exotic, expensive vehicles.
Right. Maybe like concepts, but nothing.
You know
production.
what also might be cool is if they keep both of them around as options for greater adoption, because some people are still anxious about going fully electric. So you got the half electric and the full electric of the Corvette, and
Right.
and maybe even the gas. Keep that around.
Right.
3 versions of the same car, and pick whatever's right for you.
The
I don't know.
consumer can pick.
I think that's pretty cool.
Mhm.
Anyway, yeah, that Rimac car is ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.